Number 2. How to create cinematic dark mood on football clips in CapCut PC. This is used for storytelling football videos. Perfect for documentaries, flashbacks, or emotional narratives about players or clubs. Let's make an emotional, cinematic football edit that hits deep. This is perfect for farewell moments or legendary goals. To start, create project. Then import the clip you want to work on. Click or drag the clip to the timeline. Next, go to the Filters tab and select Mono. This gives the black and white filter. Select the black and white filter and stretch it to cover the video clip. This changes the clip to black and white. Leave the intensity at 100%. Click on the Effects tab and search for Rain. Select the star's rain. It looks more appropriate. Now add the cinematic touch to your video, which gives it a professional look. Go to Video, then Mask, and click on the theme strip mask. Adjust the mask so that it has the two black horizontal black strips at the top and bottom of the video. Finally, add a zoom out or zoom in animation to your video. That is it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This helps my channel to grow.